I'm going to show you how you can view replies on the Threads app. Now, if you want to view the replies, there's going to be a couple ways. First off, if I go to this post here and just tap on this, you can see when I tap on this, I'll view the post on a more focus point here. And then when you scroll down, this is the replies of each of the posts here, right? So these are the replies. The more you scroll, the more replies you'll find. So just keep scrolling, and then you'll find more replies the more you scroll. The other way you can also view replies is that you can tap on the comment button directly there. And when you tap on the comment button, again, it'll just show up into like this. But on this one, you can also reply to the post here as well. So on showing it, you'll just also reply to it as well. Now you can see, you can check if posts have a replies or not. You can see if the comments there have a 1, then that means it has a reply. So just tap on that and you can see you can now view the reply here as well. Now this is it. You can see this is the replies. And then since the replies is only 1, then it'll end here. If you keep scrolling down, you can see find more replies, tap on this. You can see you can view the replies down here. Of course, just keep scrolling if you want to find more replies. You can see it might take a little bit to actually load in, but you can see these are the replies. And then that's how you show replies on Threads. Very easy.